I am Engine Cadet Larioso.
I'm Engine Cadet De La Torre.
I'm Engine Cadet Trini.
I am Engine Cadet Abelia.
I am Engine Cadet Romano. Arts Association!
Do you know that there's a lot to learn about arts? Let's explore arts.
The word humanities comes from Renaissance Latin phrase meaning study of humanity, which refers culture, refinement, and education. During the Renaissance era, the humanity curriculum focused on classical subjects like grammar, rhetoric, poetry, history, and moral philosophy. Today, the humanity encompasses a broader range of subjects including literature, language, philosophy, geography, religious, history, music, and art.
The elements of arts. The elements of arts are the fundamental components used to create and analyze artworks. These elements include lines, shape, form, color, value, texture, space, and pattern. These elements are the building blocks used by the artist to create compositions, convey messages, and evoke emotions. Genres in music. There are various of genres in music, different categories or styles of music that have distinct characteristics or appeal. These are genres in music: classical, jazz, pop, rock, hip-hop, and country. From classical to hip-hop music, infusing every moment with its diverse, captivating sounds and stories.
Indigenous art. Indigenous art in the Philippines reflects the rich cultural heritage of ethnic group, blending tradition and daily life. The Tibulils, Tinalak, Ifugos Curvalos, Manubos dance costume, and Maranao's ochre's design highlights the diversity and resilience of these communities, preserving their unique and cultural heritage. Arts appreciation involves understanding, interpreting, and valuing works of art. It includes recognizing techniques, styles, and historical context behind artworks. Appreciating arts enhances cultural understanding, critical thinking skills, and empathy by engaging with diverse perspectives and expressions. Indigenous art. Indigenous art reflects the... balik.
Genres in music. There are various of genres in music.
Okay, play.
The elements of art. The elements of art are the fundamental components used to create and analyze artwork.
Asa ko yung nyaro kaningon?
Ano lakor kay na diri?
Art! Art! Appreciation! Balik ni.